number 19 is the black classic high heel. I want to just take 10 seconds and honor you for investing this very valuable time of yours, because you're investing time, money, and effort in becoming a bold light on a hill, which the world needs. So I just want to stop for a little bit and just say thank you for doing that, because as soon as you do that and find the confidence to step up and step out, you're going to inspire other women to do the same. Other women who need you, other women who are hiding behind their clothes, suffering through depression, suffering through all kinds of things that maybe you and I have also experienced. So I just wanted to honor you there for a second. So at number 19 is the classic black high heel. Beautiful, beautiful, versatile part of your wardrobe. It's a closed shoe. Whether you like pointed or round is entirely up to you. It does not have to be 9-inch heels. It also doesn't have to be a pair of Louboutins. A pair of Louboutins will cost you a lot of money. However, if you want a pair of Louboutins, it's a beautiful black classic heel with a red sole underneath the platform. It is an absolutely beautiful piece of art. I myself will be saving up some money to get myself a pair one day. But I want to say this, do not be suckered in to buying a pair of rip-off Louboutins. You can get a rip-off version of anything in this world today, and it's not honoring to the industry. It's not honoring to the, especially if you're someone who's anti-fashion or anti-shopping, but you're buying rip-off. I want to encourage you to be the person to restore honor and integrity to the fashion industry, which is needed. And that's what being a bold light on a hill is about, is having that honor and that trustworthy character. And that is a mindset and a condition of the heart. It's not just how you shop for your clothing. And so, talking about Louboutins and high quality and a bit of bling, my awesome cameraman has just told me that the sun is catching me on the right here. So if this is blinding you a little bit, then I did say to him, there's no such thing as too much bling. So thanks for bearing with us. We are in a beautiful part of this side of the Eiffel Tower, and I hope that you're enjoying it. So at number 19 is an absolute essential for your wardrobe, the classic black closed high heel.